All right, hello, let's get Anypoint Code Builder installed on your Macintosh. We're going to go download it first. You have to download Visual Studio Code because Anypoint Code Builder is a set of extensions for Visual Studio Code. So I'm just going to go download this right now for the Mac. And mine is on Apple Silicon. I guess I could do a universal. Let's do that. And we'll download. And it'll come to my downloads directory. It's a zip file, so I'm going to expand it. And on the Mac, you just copy that to your applications folder. So I'm going to drag and drop it from here to my applications folder. And then the next part happens inside Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to close that. I'm going to go to Finder, to my applications folder, and look at that. I've got Visual Studio Code here. I'm actually going to drag it to my dock too because I plan to use it a lot, right? So I just clicked and dragged it there. I can launch it. I think it's going to give me a little warning for the first time it runs. Oh, I got it from the internet. Are you sure? Yes, I'm okay with that. And Visual Studio Code is launched. Now to get Anypoint Code Builder, let me close the chat. This is all the Copilot stuff. We're going to go to the extensions, which looks like these little squares on the left side. That's the extensions menu. And we're going to search for Anypoint Extension Pack. That's the installer point for Anypoint Code Builder. And I'll just install that, and it'll pick up everything else we need. Trust Publisher and install is okay. And when it says it's done installing, you'll know it's there. See, so there we go. If yours is still installing, you can pause the video here until it is completed. Now, the next step is to log into your Anypoint platform account. So at the bottom right, you'll see it says not logged into Anypoint platform. Now, if yours says a username, then you're good. You don't need to log in. I'm going to click that not logged into Anypoint platform, and it's going to open a web browser and allow me to log in. I think that's the right password. So you log in interactively, and then Anypoint Code Builder will be authenticated to Anypoint platform. All right, congratulations. You're all set to write some code on your Mac with Anypoint Code Builder.